Hi, Charlie Black here today, and I'd like to talk to you about VMware Tanzu GemFire. And the topic that we're going to talk about is how long does it take to read 1 million bytes from RAM, solid state drives, and hard disk drives. The performance number that I'm going to be using is nanoseconds. Now, nanoseconds are not normally that relatable. There's roughly 1 billion nanoseconds in a given second. So I'm going to use a technique where I convert the time into a distance, right? And how we're going to do that is through the speed of light. So in 1 nanosecond, the speed of light can travel 11.76 inches, or roughly about 1 ruler. This will allow us to get a good feeling for how much difference, how big of a difference there are between these various storage mediums. So where did I get the values from for these performance metrics? I got it from Jeff Dean, who's a Google Technical Fellow, and what the community's been doing is keeping his study up to date with the new advances in technology. What I'll do is I'll put a link in the description below on where I got the current values from. So let's dive right into the numbers. Now, the first one up is a hard drive. Now, a hard drive has a hard disk head that has to move around to the given track, and then this the platter has to move around and to get underneath the hard disk drive head to get to the right sector. So that one's going to be probably the slowest that we have out of the bunch, or it is the slowest out of the bunch. It takes 2,718,000 nanoseconds to read that 1 million bytes of data. Followed up by solid state drive. That one takes 39,000 nanoseconds to read the same amount. RAM comes in at 2,000 nanoseconds to read the same amount. So let's convert those numbers over to our walking distance. Okay, so for RAM, it would take 7 minutes and 25 seconds to walk the time it took to read that 1 million bytes of data. Solid state drives, 2 hours, 24 minutes, and 46 seconds. So substantially longer. Hard drives, it's a near eternity at 7 days, 9 minutes, and 32 seconds. Hopefully that gives us a better understanding how much faster RAM is versus solid state and spinning rust. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And thank you for listening and have a great day.